Hey guys, welcome to a new video, and today I wanted to share 3 different ways that you can use a flat iron, straightening iron, whichever you prefer, to curl your hair. If I were to go on holiday, I would probably bring a straightening iron over a curling iron, just because you can curl hair with a straightening iron, but you can't straighten hair with a curling iron. Okay, let's begin straight away with the first one, and I guess this is the classic method of curling hair with a straightening iron, and this is a really fun technique that gives very beautiful results. So for the classic method, you're going to take a strip of hair, you're going to put the hair into the straightening iron, give it a twist either towards or away from your face, either works, and then you're slowly going to pull this down the length until you feed all of your hair through the straightening iron. Then you can just give it a little twist, and this gives a beautiful, gorgeous loose wave. So let's do that again. And just pop it in the middle, give it a twist once more, and slowly feed the hair through the iron. And that's the look. I'm gonna do one more. Ta-da! Really gorgeous curls. Okay, so that is one method, I guess the kind of classic technique. This is what it looks like when you've done the entire head of hair. Let me just get up so you can see the ends. Very beautiful, effortless, wavy curls, I guess. Another thing you could do is to take a piece of hair, not too big, and you're gonna roll this up like a pin curl. So this is yet another way of cheating your way around doing actual pin curls. So I'm gonna roll it up all the way up to my head, and then I'm going to take my straightening iron and pinch this. Now you want to be very careful when doing this. Definitely don't want to pinch your own fingers. Might be a good idea to use a heat protectant glove with this. But basically you're just going to heat up this hair in that pin curl shape and then just pin it to your head to give it the opportunity to cool down. So time to let down this curl. There we have it, a nice little spiral. Super easy to create. Very pretty, very bouncy, this curl. So the last technique is one that I have shared on my channel before, but I just wanted to reintroduce it for the sake of this video, and that is the infamous chopstick curl. Gives great results but takes forever to do. Anyways, what you want to do is take a very small piece of hair, take your chopstick or a large wooden pencil, wrap your hair around this, and then you're going to take the straightening iron, you're going to go over this. And the goal is to basically just heat this hair through and through so that it holds onto this super tightly curled shape. I have loads of flyaways today. There we go, and this is definitely the tightest curl you're gonna get with a straightening iron, and a much tighter curl than you could probably get with a curling iron. Love this. Takes forever to do, but it is so much fun to do on your entire head of hair. Definitely give it a try once if you're up to the challenge. These are my 3 ways of curling hair with a straightening iron that I wanted to share with you today, guys. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for loads more beauty and lifestyle content. If you'd like to support me through Patreon or my merch store, there will be links in the description box below. Thank you so much for your support. There is another video here that I think you might also enjoy. You can go watch next. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you very soon in my next video. Bye!